Radhe Radhe everyone. Today we are going to practice Rudya meditation about the divine forms of Sri Radha Krishna and the divine lotus feet. My humble pranams to my Gurudev, Jagat Guru Shri Kripalaji Maharaj for giving the world about the knowledge of Sri Radha Krishna and the divine forms of Sri Radha Krishna for all of us to meditate upon. Along with me, you all can practice to do pranam to my Gurudev's divine lotus feet through your mind. I am going to read a kirtan. It's in Hindi. I am going to read the translation from Brajras Madhuri. If you want to read more about Radha Krishna, you can browse JKP online stores to buy this book. Okay, let's start up. Brajras Madhuri by Jagadguru Shri Kripalaji Maharaj. The lotus feet of Sri Radha Krishna are my only shelter. The lotus feet of Pyari and Bihari are my sole refuge. My eyes are like the chako bird or the moon-shaped effulgent toenails of Sri Radha Krishna. I sacrifice the moon on the effulgence of Sri Radha Krishna's toenails. The bliss of divine love flows from Sri Radha Krishna's lotus feet. Immeasurable bliss of impersonal aspect of God can be sacrificed on a single drop of Sri Radha Krishna's divine bliss. Brahm, the impersonal absolute, is bliss, whereas the son of Nandis is the essence of bliss. So sweet is this divine love bliss that Lord Shiva wanders around in Braj as a gopi in order to drink it. The lotus feet of Sri Radha and Krishna are unlimited existence, knowledge and bliss. Sri Radha and Krishna are controlled by love. The lotus feet of Sri Radha dwell in the heart of Sri Krishna, and the lotus feet of Sri Krishna dwell in the heart of Sri Radha. Both sing each other's glory with eyes shut in meditation. Even they who have attained the bliss of impersonal Brahman crave the nectar flowing from the lotus feet of Sri Radha Krishna. When will my mind become a bumblebee for the nectar of these lotus feet? The lotus feet of Sri Radha are fair in color. Those of Sri Krishna are blue. Lord Krishna's ability to do the impossible using his potency Yogamaya is rendered useless in front of Radharani. When Kishoriji is upset with him, Sri Krishna becomes so afraid that he is unable to utter a single word. On the other hand, when Sri Krishna is angry with Kishoriji, she remains unaffected and goes about as usual. The mischievous Lord Krishna forgets all his cleverness when confronted by Radharani. Kishoriji is seated in the lap of King Banu and Shyam Sundar in the lap of Nanda. Both Kishoriji and Shyam Sundar are seated in my heart. When one calls out to Sri Krishna, Kishoriji comes running And when one calls out to Kishoriji, Sri Krishna comes running. Blessed are King Bhanu and Nand. Radha and Govind bestow bliss upon bliss itself. The daughter of King Bhanu is very innocent, whereas the son of Nand is most mischievous. Yamuna river washes the lotus feet of Sri Radha Krishna. Sinful minds are purified by meditating on the lotus feet of Sri Radha Krishna. Kishoraji's walk is graceful like that of a swan, and Thakurji's walk resembles that of an intoxicated elephant. Looking at the cowherd boys walking, one is reminded of the army of monkeys. Described as being independent by the Vedas, Sri Radha and Krishna are in reality slaves of love. Shyam Sundar attains the nectar of Shyama and Shyama the nectar of Shyam Sundar. The milk maidens and the cowherd boys of Braj drink the combined nectar of Shyama and Shyam Sundar. Relying fully on Shyama and Shyam, I sleep without worrying about anything. Radharani is adorned with 16 embellishments, and Lord Krishna is dressed in the sporty style of acrobat. He is more attractive than her, and she is more beautiful than him. When Kishoriji places her lotus feet, Shyam Sundar places his head. Where Kishoriji places her lotus feet, Shyam Sundar places his head. In an extremely heightened state of divine love, Kishoriji cries out for herself saying, "Oh Pyari, where are you?" And Lord Krishna cries out similarly, "Oh beloved, where have you gone?" Radharani is the bliss imparting energy of Sri Krishna, and Sri Krishna is her eternal servant. Says Sri Kripalu Maharaj, an ignorant mind cannot know the glory of Sri Radha Krishna's divine lotus feet. By Jagadguru Sri Kripalaji Maharaj from Brajas Madhuri book. As I said, you can order this book from JKP online shop. My Guru Jagadguru Sri Kripalaji Maharaj always give importance do chanting with Rudhyana. He says you should do chanting with Rudhyana. You should always feel your worship form of God to be personally present with you. You should keep practicing this even while performing your worldly duties, even if just for a second or two at a time. Without Rudhyana, you will not be able to quickly experience devotional bliss through the chanting of Sri Krishna's names, qualities, and so on. Rudhyana is the only means to restrain the fickle mind. If we firmly believe that God is personally present in His name, we feel intoxicated by merely chanting or even listening to His name. And also, he always explains, "See, I am going to explain you a very secret way to please Lord Krishna quickly. If you chant Krishna's name and qualities, then he will listen to it, but more dignity and splendor. But if you chant Radharani's name and qualities, then Radharani would be happy, and Krishna also comes to listen to that name. He comes running in full pace towards you, not slowly and quietly running. To please Shyam Sundar, the shortcut method is to chant Radharani's name, love and remember her. This is a shortcut. This will make your work more easier. This is weakness of Krishna. Even in this world, if you got to know the weakness of someone, then you do that to make him happy easily. Radharani is the weakness of Krishna. So Krishna's weakness, as told by Jagadguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj, is as soon as you take Radhe name, Krishna will run towards you to hear that name. It is possible that Krishna might be here to hear Radharani's name. See how importance my Gurudev gives for Radha's name. Let's practice whenever we have time to listen to my Gurudev's countless teachings he has given this world. You all can listen, you all can practice devotion, and you all can practice meditation as well. For more information, you can contact us at gloriesofradhakrishna@gmail.com. And also please share our YouTube channel with your friends and relatives, and subscribe to our YouTube channels as well. To get more spiritual messages. Thank you everyone. Jai Jai Shri Radhe.